history was not always history as you know it. Especially in Levantine and Mesopotamian geographies, it was believed that women had to be clean. In the Ottoman harems, a pure white silk carpet was laid out for new concubines. This was a test of virginity. Every concubine admitted to the palace was made to lie on a pure white silk carpet for the first night, and the carpet was checked for stains, but they had forgotten that there were jealous concubines who secretly spilled wine on the white carpet, falling victim to the intrigues of favored concubines who had previously entered the harem. If stains appeared on the white carpet, these concubines were considered unclean and drowned in the Bosphorus. The Bosphorus was probably filled with the screams of concubines begging the palace guards not to kill them. Only 3 carpets survived, now displayed in museums. What do you think about this issue? Let's meet in the comments.